You just heard my Indian bells, which I bought in Delhi maybe 20 years ago now. I love them so much because they are so versatile. They can sound really creepy and weird, or they can sound magical, like they're transporting you to another world. And that's the example that I'm sharing with you today. This is from All Silent Dogs. It's a disability allegory. It's about a young girl who can transform into a dog, and in her society, that is seen as an aberration. So she has a choice to make. Does she remove this ability so that she fits in the world, or does she accept who she is and live as an outsider who can transform into a dog? And I wanted to use the bells because I wanted to acknowledge something sacred in this ability. I wanted to honor the fact that she has this otherworldly capacity for change, and I wanted the bells to feel like they were creating a sense of magic pulling her towards her destiny. This is what it sounded like.